Imagine charging your phone to 100% in just 20 minutes while having a camera so powerful, it feels like you're carrying a DSLR in your pocket. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is not just another mid-range smartphone, it's aiming to redefine what you can expect at its price point. Stay tuned because you'll want to know how this device stands out in a crowded market. Infinix is about to shake things up with the Note 50 Pro, a phone loaded with premium features but priced for the masses. If you've been looking for a phone that combines speed, power, and incredible photography features without emptying your wallet, this might just be it. The Infinix Note 50 Pro features a 6.78-inch Super AMOLED display. What makes this screen special is its 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers and anyone who loves smooth scrolling. With a crisp resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, everything from videos to apps will look stunning. Plus, the fingerprint sensor is integrated seamlessly into the design, ensuring security without sacrificing style. When it comes to performance, the Snapdragon 6 processor powers this device. While it's not the most powerful chip on the market, it's more than capable for everyday tasks, like gaming and multitasking. Pair this with up to 16 GB of RAM, and the Note 50 Pro can handle almost anything you throw at it. Battery life is always a concern, but Infinix has tackled this head-on. The 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day use, even for heavy users. The real game changer, though, is the 120-watt fast charger. Imagine plugging in your phone and having it fully charged in just 20 minutes. That's faster than many flagship devices costing twice as much. Now, let's talk camera. The rear setup includes a 50MP main sensor for detailed shots, a 2MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more in every frame, and a 2MP depth sensor for beautiful portraits. But the real star is the front camera, a whopping 64MP. This is perfect for content creators, vloggers, or anyone who loves snapping selfies. It even supports 4K video recording and offers 10x zoom, making it versatile for various photography needs. Storage options are another highlight. Whether you need 128 GB for basic use or a massive 512 GB for storing tons of photos, videos, and apps, Infinix has you covered. Plus, you can expand storage with a memory card, ensuring you'll never run out of space. Pricing is where the Infinix Note 50 Pro truly shines. Starting at just 16,999 Indian rupees, it offers incredible value for money. Early launch offers could bring the price down to 15,999 Indian rupees for the base variant, making it even more appealing. With EMI options starting at 5,000 Indian rupees, this phone is accessible to a wide range of buyers. While the official release date hasn't been confirmed, rumors suggest a launch between January and February 2025. If true, this timing positions the Note 50 Pro perfectly to capture the post-holiday market demand. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the mid-range smartphone category. From its ultra-fast charging to its DSLR-like cameras and premium display, it's hard to ignore what this phone brings to the table. If these features align with your needs, this could be the phone worth waiting for. Make sure to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the launch date, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Infinix Note 50 Pro. Would you buy it at this price? Let us know your thoughts below.